Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is English classes by Preeti ma'am. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Let's start our topic without any delay. Today's topic is about daily routine use English sentences. Daily use English sentences we are doing. Let's start with our first sentence. These sentences you can use in your daily conversation and you will be fluent after some time. If you will practice them, you will be fluent after some time. Let's start with the first sentence without any delay. Our first sentence is इसे सुरक्षित रूप से वापस करें. Return it safely. इसे सुरक्षित रूप से वापस करें. कोई चीज़ हमने ली है, when we borrow something from someone, we can say return it safely. कि इसे safely सुरक्षित रूप से वापस करें. Come to the second sentence. आवाज़ कम करें. आवाज़ कम करें. When our volume of TV or our music system is high, what we can say? क्या बोल सकते हैं? Reduce the volume. Reduce the volume. Next sentence is तारीख याद रखें. Sometime we forget the date, anything special on that date. We can say remember the date. कि तारीख याद रखें. Come to the next sentence. When we said someone अपनी शर्ट पहनो. Wear your shirt भी हम बोल सकते हैं. Put on your shirt. पहनना मीन्स होता है put on. Put on your shirt. Next sentence is उसे बाहर भेजें. When we call someone, please come outside, or we can say send him out कि उसे बाहर भेजें. But we can say send him out कि उसे बाहर भेजें. Next sentence is उन्हें व्यक्तिगत रूप से मिलो. व्यक्तिगत होता है पर्सनली, ठीक है ना. एक व्यक्ति तब तो क्या होता है, हमारी पर्सनैलिटी होती है, बिहेवियर होता है, ठीक है ना. और व्यक्तिगत क्या होता है, पर्सनली, इंडिविजुअल के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. मीट दैम पर्सनली. व्हाट वी कैन से, मीट दैम पर्सनली. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंसेस पता नोट करो. पता नोट करो. नोट द एड्रेस. व्हाट वी कैन से, नोट द एड्रेस. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस बिल का भुगतान करो. These type of sentences always we use in our daily conversations. बिल का भुगतान करो. What we can say, pay the bill. What we can say, pay the bill. Next sentences उसे बाहर फेंक दो. Something is not for use. What we can say, इसे बाहर फेंक दो. उसे बाहर फेंक दो. Throw it out. Throw it out. Throw means फेंकना. It means जिस चीज़ को हम फेंक रहे हैं. Out means बाहर. Throw it out. Next sentence उन्हें अपने साथ ले लो. When we going somewhere, we can take our friends with us or brother and sister, parents. What we can say, उन्हें अपने साथ ले लो. Take them with you. What we can say, take them with you. Let's start with the next sentence. These sentences are quite different from previous sentences, or these sentences you can use in your daily conversation also. Let's start the sentence. अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ तो. अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ तो. But we can say it in English. If I am not mistaken. If I am not mistaken. These type of sentences also we use in our daily conversation. Let's see the next sentence. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है कि. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है कि. कई बार ऐसे sentences आ जाते हैं. As far as I know. As far as I know. Next sentence समय समय पर. What we can say it, समय समय पर. From time to time. What we can say, from time to time. Next sentence is कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि. कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि. और वी कैन से नीडलेस टू से. वी कैन से नीडलेस टू से. और वी कैन ऑल्सो से नो नीड टू से एनीथिंग. कि कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, या फिर कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि. नीडलेस टू से. लास्ट सेंटेंस ऑफ द डे इज वहीं दूसरी ओर. वट वी कैन से इट, वहीं दूसरी ओर. ऑन द अदर हैंड. On the other hand, these type of sentences always we use in our daily conversation. When we conversate with someone, we always need these type of sentences. It really, if you follow these sentences or practice these sentences, it will really helpful for you, or you will be conversate with your friends or colleagues, with anyone fluently. Please practice these sentences. I hope you understand these sentences very well. If you understand these sentences, you can comment in our comment section. If you have any query, you can comment in your comment section. It is for you only. Or if you really know these type of sentences, you also comment in the comment section. If you really like my video or my class, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share also my videos. Thank you student for listening and watching my videos.